everybody, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a marble maze. So for this activity you can use a lid of a shoebox, or if you don't have a shoebox lid you could use a cereal box or any cardboard box that you've got at home. You'll also need a pair of scissors, some straws, sellotape, a pencil or a pen and a little piece of paper. So let's get started. So to begin with you need to get a straw, and you can cut the straw for different lengths. You can have some longer pieces and you can also have some shorter pieces. And what you need to start doing then is, with your piece of straw you can start laying out how you want your maze to be. So with the bendy bits of the straw you can use that, and I have also got some cut out ones over here. So you can just design your maze however you want it to be. So this can be as simple or as complicated as you want. You can make it more challenging by having more dead ends, but the marble does need at least one path to go through. So you can start sellotaping some of these down. And then you get more straws. And you can start thinking about where you might want some of these dead ends to be. Just make sure they are all sellotaped down securely. And once you're happy with how your maze looks, you can make a start and a finish sign. And if you have a marble, you can use a marble. If you don't have a marble, you can just get a little bit of foil to make a little ball, or you can use some glue tack. So you can then use that for a marble. So you can now sellotape down your start and finish signs. You can just put a little bit of sellotape there. And a little bit of sellotape there. And then you have your own little marble maze. So to make this more challenging, you can add in some danger zones. So if the marble touches that part, then you have to go back to the start, or you could even do that with certain colours. So if the marble touches a certain colour, you can go back to the start. You could also make it a little bit more challenging by adding lots of more dead ends, so the marble only has one path to go through. You can let everyone at home have a go, and you can time them, and you can see who does it the fastest. So I hope you have fun making and playing with your own marble maze.